Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1969 Plymouth Satellite. It's cloned to a Roadrunner. Runs and drives great. Added air conditioning and a bunch of goodies. I got the owner here. Paul's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Paul?
All right, good.
Pretty car, man.
Thank you.
It's like B5 blue.
Huh.
So how long have you owned it for?
I've owned this for almost 20 years.
20 years, wow.
I bought it, it was shipped to New York City from Michigan. It had open headers when I bought it, so as soon as I started it up, all the windows rumbled in the city. I was in shock. But I babied it all these years.
Okay.
I use it all the time. Not all the time, but
you drive it, yeah.
I drive it.
383, right? Air conditioning?
383. I put the air conditioner in my spoil, a friend of mine. And I put a kick-ass stereo system in there. And, you know, like the brand new brakes. You know, I took care of this thing.
Wheels and tires are new.
Yeah. Tires are new. The wheels is the exact rims that came with it.
Okay.
I put a whole new exhaust system when I bought the car because it had open headers. I couldn't get it inspected. And I just love the car. I just got older and I don't use it as much anymore.
Cool. Well, someone else will definitely enjoy it.
Well,
that's for sure.
That's the whole thing.
Nice straight body. Runs great. It's got a mild cam in it.
Yep.
Love the color. Pin down hood. .383 Edelbrock high-rise manifold. Added air conditioning. It's got the beep beep horn.
Beep beep.
Nice big aluminum radiator.
Yeah.
Long tube headers. Inside you got the lofty bench. Real nice shape. Let's fire it up. Showing 58,642 miles. Custom Sony stereo. It's got all the goodies. Beep beep. Sounds great, Paul. Really nice. Totally cold, the motor. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main websites, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day, guys.